Oh, your TV screen is black, no picture, no game, just darkness. Let's troubleshoot your Xbox Series S, X. First, the HDMI cable, unplug it from both your Xbox and your TV. Give it a good look. Any damage, frayed, bent pins. If it's damaged, replace it with a new, high-quality HDMI cable. Make sure it supports the latest standards for 4K and HDR. Now, plug the HDMI cable back in. Make sure it's firmly seated in both the Xbox and the TV. A loose connection is a common culprit. Next, check your TV's input. Is it set to the correct HDMI input where your Xbox is plugged in? Cycle through the inputs to be sure. Time for the Xbox settings. Navigate to settings, then display and sound. Check your resolution options. Your TV might not support the highest settings. Try lowering the resolution. Still black? Try restarting your Xbox. Hold the power button on the console until it shuts down completely, then unplug it and wait a minute. Plug it back in and turn it on. If none of this works, it might be a problem with the console itself. Contact Xbox support, but hopefully these fixes get you back in the game.